Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be making some beef jerky sticks, some jalapeno summer sausage, and some jalapeno and cheese link sausage. These are the things that we'll be using today, different types of casing, and the seasoning is Rebel Country sausage seasoning. First thing we got to do is grind our deer meat. I have right at 57 pounds. I'm using a coarse plate, and then we will be using the 5-pound sausage stuffer. Just purchased it. Hopefully it'll work well for us today. And you always need some scales so you can get the correct mixture. I will also be using right at 12 pounds of pork fat. We got this from our local grocery store. They just kept all of the Boston butt trimmings so I could use it in my sausage. Okay, now I'm about to mix up 5 pounds of jerky. We're going to try out the jalapeno backwoods seasoning jerky. There's my strips cleaned. I'm going to mix the seasoning in and then grind it. And just get this mixed as good as possible. Then you'll put it into your grinder, and the grinder will also help with the mixture. I say this is the best way to get a thorough mix. I've been doing this for a few years, and this has been working well for me. Now I'm ready to grind it. Alright, I have everything grinded now, so now I'm going to add my water, and I just do it by touch. It says on the original package to add 2.5 cups and dissolve it before you put it on the meat, but I like doing it just straight on the meat. I've been doing it for years and have not had an issue with it. I'm just going to continue to mix this water in. It's even going to help with your stuffing. Going to take our meat out of the pan and put it into the stuffer. You want to make sure you get all the air out of it. It's difficult to start. Once it started, it goes fairly easy. She's wet the ends of it in order to make it go up on the horn easier. Or we think anyway.
Yep, I got it.
Got it?
Got it, yep.
Keep it wet. We get as much on the horn as we possibly can, and then we will go back to stuffing. And that's what happens when you get it too full. Comes out the top. We just take this and put it back in our pan. We're gonna have to reload our casing. I found a clamp to put on my stuffer. The ones that come with it is too narrow. So I bought this little clamp at Harbor Freight years ago, and this come in real handy. Freed up my other hand to really hold the end of the horn and allow the sausage to stuff thicker. It. That's all. Almost perfect. Okay, this is what we were able to process yesterday before we had to go to a band concert. So this morning we're going to go ahead and get this on the smoker. We put it in the refrigerator overnight. So best stay with us. And while we are smoking this, we're going to work on making some summer sausage. Okay, so I've got my smoker stuffed with the snack sticks from yesterday. I've got my temperature probe in the very center. I'm going to start out at and if you notice, I've got it spaced so where none of the links are touching one another. You want to be able to do that, so you got to even smoke all the way through. So I'm going to start out at 140 degrees, and then I'll see where that goes for a couple of hours, put some smoke to them. I don't want to smoke them too much, and after that I'll go up to 170 degrees and take them off when the internal temperature reaches 150 degrees. Got it at 130 degrees, and it's currently the temperature probe is 44 degrees where I've got it stuck in the meat. Alright, so the snack sticks are finished. So we've got them in an ice bath. Gonna let them sit here a minute, and then we'll try them, see if we like them.
So we now have jerky sticks and some of our sausage, the hog casing sausage, in a water bath with some ice on top of it. And we'll be trying it here in just a few moments.
We're gonna cut some. Taste testing video for the jalapeno and cheese sausage, the backwood snack sticks, and the backwood summer sausage. All right, so the first thing we will taste will be our snack sticks. They're good and firm. I like the casing. There's a good bite. Good flavor. I'll let you try some. I have my lovely daughter. I'll let her try some as well. I wish it had a little more salt, maybe. I would do a different flavor next year, but as far as making snack sticks, they turned out fine. They have a good smoke flavor. Yep, definitely do it again. What do you think?
I agree. I like those.
About
I
you,
think
Diddy?
they have a great taste.
They're good.
All right, just a different flavor, maybe the teriyaki next year.
Yeah, we'll try something different.
All right. Now, if you would like to see how we made the smoked deer sausage and summer sausage, check out our other videos.